How to secure your Gmail account. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to complete the recommended actions in your Google account to make it more secure. But before you get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Google app and then simply tap on your account. And then from here, you're just going to head over to manage your Google account. Now you are just going to go ahead and head over to your security tab at the top. And then as you can see, if you scroll down, you have certain recommended actions to make your account more secure. You can add your recovery phone number and your recovery email address. So what you can do is simply tap on recovery email, and then here you can type in your email address. So you can just add your email address here to add it as your recovery email, and then tap on verify. It will send you a recovery email code on the email, and then you should be able to make your account more secure. You can do the same by adding the phone number. So if you head over to the add a recovery phone number, you can just tap on add recovery phone and just enter the number and make your account more secure. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.